I lost 180 pounds, and during maintenance, some of the weight came back. This series documents losing 20 pounds realistically without panic, punishment, or starting over. All right, y'all, we have not done a weight check in a while. So, I have, but we haven't done it together. So hold on, hang on. Let's just see what. Hot dog. 176.8. Hot dog. Our goal is I'd like to get back to 158, but at least 160. That's where I need to be. So 176, and I was started at 182. So, all right, we're eating right and doing right. Yay, Terri Toodaloo! Y'all, how can I not? How can I not? Is this not the most inviting face you ever saw? He's like, you know what this is? He said, this is a belly. It's a racing stripe. Do you know what it needs? It needs somebody to rub it like a genie so I can run faster. He wants to run fast so he said, rub my racing stripe, guys. Rub my tummy tum-tum. And then I'm going to eat you. Then I'm going to eat you. With them teethers. He says, the teethers are better to chomp. The teethers are better to eat you with, my dear. Oh, he's eating me. Oh, don't eat me. Oh, no, don't eat me, Sammy Joe. Don't eat me, Sammy Joe. He's such a good little sweet boy. And there's this one, and she's like, well, not right now. She's, because it's storming. It's kind of a possible storm today. This one wants me to hurry up and get out so he can get a TREAT. Watch him. He's pacing. He's I literally need to get my clothes on first because I'm gonna go to Walmart. Oh, your belly. He says. See, look how patient he is. He's like, ladies and gentlemen, she knows I'm here. She's just ignoring me. But her, on the other hand, hey, ma'am, she smells my electrolytes. She said, what are you doing, ma'am? Do you want me to pet you, ma'am? Are you in that mode right now? Okay. So she's just one of those that you'll pet me when I tell you to pet me. And this one, you look at his face. He's like, guys, I'm frantic. Mom's not leaving. And I know what happens when she leaves. I need her to leave the house right now. Right now. See, she won't follow me. I'm trying to get her to follow me. See, if Mom would just follow me, I know what would happen. See, just follow me, Mom. And look, watch his face. He's looking. Watch him. He knows. This is, okay, I'll give you one. And I won't even leave. He's wet, little turkey. Hang on. This is the order I do them, so give her time to run off. Now you, hey, gentle. Anyway, so now he's going to be happy until he swallows that dadgum thing whole, probably. For the record, today's video might be long since I'm going to Angie's to clean. So, I'll probably show y'all and jibber jabber and whatnot. But anyway, first I'm going to Walmart. So I'll see you later. So what I want to say, this is a couple things. Sherry Morgan sent me that video come out at some point. This is a slushie maker. Anyway, so I tried my caffeinated electrolytes. The caffeine from the electrolytes, like these are from Salty, which is Keto Chow, which I have a link to Keto Chow. It's a link, not a code. You just click the link down in the description of this video. I think it's under Keto Chow. But anyway, you can shop their electrolytes. But the difference in these electrolytes with caffeine and coffee, I feel like happy energy. I can't explain it, but it's like, I feel it's almost like a happy little dopamine. And so that's interesting. So I'm going to try this Monday for work and see how that goes, because it could be a whole cool thing instead of coffee. And, all that aside, as far as whether it's fasting or not fasting, but it's different and I like it. So anyway, I'm going to Walmart and it's raining, but I don't care. I need what I need. The dogs need their whipped cream and they need their easy cheese. So, and I got to get it done now because I'm going to Angie. So anyway, I'm talking too much. Bye. Okay, there's my steak that I had last night. So that's the other half of it today. And I had some coffee here, of their coffee. Wait, before I shut. And then I had, what flavor is this? Orange sickle, Zevia, and then my water. And I'll show you what I done had. It's nothing terrible. I scanned it in, so don't be judging me. I had one of these Reese's Delight. I had a splash of that. I scanned it. So don't be judging me. But yeah, so it's 11:30. I'm about to eat my steak. Telling you guys I love this house. So we started off, we had a bunch of boxes from last week, and look at that view. Isn't that stunning? The house is on a little, I guess, like lake. It's a little small little lake. It's such a beautiful view. Anyway, so we got this straightened out, and so when somebody comes in, this is usually the first room they see. I love it. They have an electronic cat litter scooper. I never saw one up close. I had her show me how it worked. It's really cool. So we clean that area and move that around, and that goes to the bathroom. So yay, we got it. Got this room done. You know, it's funny. I wonder if my neighbors, because I had to open up the windows because it was all cloudy. I wonder if my neighbors are like, what is she burning over there? But it's 9.6 ounces of my chuck steak. What I did was, so I cut off the fat and some extra meat. And so it's pretty thick. So I fry it. What I've been doing is I fry it with the thing on top of it, my bacon press on top of it. I know I don't know. I like it. Anyway, and then I got it done. And then I added some water to cool it down. And I put in some onion, like deep minced onion and garlic. There, it's it right there. Those little pieces right there. Hang on. So I put in some of that and some water. And then I kind of rehydrated, I guess. And I didn't salt it. Hang on. I didn't salt it. So yeah, so I cooked it and cooked it. And when I sliced it, it was definitely more rare than I like medium. And so after I sliced it, I put them back in, all the slices, the pink side down, like the inside of it down, and then for a minute and then another minute. And then while I was doing that, I had the onions and dehydrated onions and garlic in there. Sherry Morgan sent me it's a squeeze cup. And so I wanted to try it with my keto chow. It turns things into slushies. So I put my keto chow in here. So I'm drinking it like a nice slushy shake. It keeps it cold. I had to get a bigger straw than what came with it because it's so thick. Look, it's still up to there. Can you see that? Anyway, so yeah, it's been a good day. Had a good day with my friends. We got our office done. And so I don't know what we're going to do next time. I'll just kind of feel it out and see what she's feeling like. And we can go from there. It's definitely... I needed a knife. So it's we're definitely going, you know, we're working on it. And working on making it more, you know, making the house into her and her husband's home. And just processing through everything. You know, it was his parents' home. And so she kind of doesn't really know what to do stuff. She doesn't want to, you know, we don't want to do anything, get rid of anything that he's going to want us to keep. So we're just trying to box things up and be gentle. And but I feel like we're doing a good job. You know, we've got did the kitchen first, and now we did this humongous office. And I think it looks really good. I really want to lick this knife, but I can't, because last time I cut myself. It's killing me. I just want you to know, though, it's killing me to not lick that knife. It's just the way it is. But anyway, so tomorrow's Easter. So today is, I don't know what they call today, Silent Saturday? Ziggy. Tomorrow's Easter, but what is today? Does today have like a holiday name?
Today, April 4th, 2026, is Holy Saturday. It's also International Day for Mine Awareness and Assistance in Mine Action. Curious about what makes Holy Saturday significant in the Easter season?
No. It's a Holy Saturday.
Got it.
That's what today is. I gotta suck so hard to suck this keto chow slushie up. I gotta hold my straw. Anyway, so it was a good day, productive day. I made my creamies this morning. Got the dog's bowls washed. I put those in the dishwasher a little bit before I left, so those are clean. I cleaned the clothes during the middle of the week when I was trying to wash my shirt the first time. So I don't really need to wash my clothes right now. I can get them next weekend. Tomorrow. Now listen. My mama's cooking, so I'm going to be eating what my mama cooks. So she's making some carrots and asparagus, and knowing her, I could see her having a salad. So tomorrow, no macros. I will be eating veggies. So if that will disturb you, tomorrow may not be the best one. But tomorrow's Easter, so we'll see how, you know, I mean, it's kind of funny, you know, I've gone to church my whole life. I don't really know anything new that they're going to say on Easter. He is risen. He is risen indeed. That's what we used to say at my mama's church. But I have kids' church tomorrow, so, and like I said, whatever mama cooks, I'm going to be eating. So, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. All right, so I told y'all I was going to be honest. So I had 2 servings of the Reese's Peanut Butter Cup International Delights Creamer. And then you could see what I had for lunch. And then here is my afternoon coffee. And then you could see my supper. And then that later on, I'll have my heavy cream before we go to bed. And that is my total macros for the day. Definitely more than what I should, but yeah, it could have been worse. Okay, bye.